Hello and welcome to a 2-bedroom condo located at 140 South Van Ness. There is a nice galley kitchen that is open to the living area. You have granite counters, a double sink, there's a dishwasher, lots of counter and cabinet space, stove, and refrigerator. This unit has lots of natural light.
We're at 140 South Van Ness.
Beautiful wood floors throughout. This is the living room dining combination. You have direct access to a private patio. Lots of space here for a living room, and you can fit a dining table here as well. Okay, this door over here has your private laundry machines in the unit. There's additional storage space up on top. Over here to the left are sliding doors and a nice big deep closet here. So there's lots of storage space in this apartment. This is actually a condominium in a fantastic, convenient location. Here's a full bath with tub and shower. This is a spacious bathroom. Nice stone backsplash in the shower. Lots of storage space. And the linen closet is in here as well, so very convenient. Really nice finishes in this condominium. Okay. We're going to head on over to bedroom number 1. This is a nice, bright bedroom. And it is very quiet in here. You have nice big closet, mirrored doors, nice big bar and shelf that goes all the way back here. And that is bedroom number 1. The second bedroom is located right next door. I would say they're pretty equal in size. This one might be a little bit bigger, but not much. Over here, you have a nice big walk-in closet with a double bar. There's also plenty of room to put a dresser or two in here. This unit does have parking available in the building. If you're interested in this unit, please visit us at rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much for looking.